Abby wants a home. You can adopt Abby. Here's Jordan Owens and Deborah Balcom with the Hearts of Life Adoptable Pet.
Abby's about 5 years old.
Okay.
She's obviously got lab in her. And she's super playful. She's jumps and runs and plays, and normally she's pretty active. Right now she's just looking at everything that's going on.
Figure everything out a little bit.
But Abby pretty much has the same story as all of ours. They were dumped strays, and we picked them up, and Abby's been with us most of the time, and so she's just ready to go. She needs a home.
Yes, ma'am.
Outside home probably would be the best thing for Abby, since she is quite playful and does like to go out and play. So yeah,
yes,
this is Abby. So.
And there at the shelter, you guys are currently in the process of building some new shelters there, is that right?
That's right. Actually, we have the shelter completed.
Okay.
We got the roof on last week in spite of the wind. They were able to get the roof on. So
deal.
the shelter itself is finished. She just wanted to lay back here behind me, I guess. We're still in the process of trying to get, some funds for our kennels, and I know that we do have some of them bought, but we do need a total of 20.
Okay.
And for approximately $100, that will do the whole kennel. We
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
buy the front panels and the sides and the backs, and everything has to be reinforced. And so, but it's going to get done.
Yes, ma'am.
We're working on it, and we are getting some contributions to come in, so we greatly appreciate any of that. And
I know we had a drive here on the radio last week,
Right,
and
right.
so if anyone missed out on that and they're wanting to try to get involved and help out a
Right.
little bit there, could they just
Right.
get a hold of you guys?
Well, they can do that, or they can come by here, by the radio station, and any way. But they can certainly give us a call at 439-5019 and leave us a message. That certainly would be fine. Or, like I said, if they just want to drop it off here, that's fine. Made out to Hearts of Life Animal Rescue. And I do like to always remind everybody that if they make a contribution to us, we are a 501(c) nonprofit organization, so that your checks are certainly tax deductible.
Yes, ma'am.
And we always send out our forms. In fact, they have just gone in the mail, those who contributed to us last year. So, that's an extra incentive as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
And the need is not only right now, but year-round with food and
year-round, yes. We
cost
are,
to take care of the
right.
animals there.
We are completely volunteer, that nobody is paid. Our only pay is loving the animals and them loving us, but we have no paid employees, we have no government funds, we have no county funds, no funds other than our local contributors who have been very, very kind to us.
Yes, ma'am.
We have regulars that that contribute to us weekly, and that helps us just keep things going.
Yes, ma'am. So if you have a soft spot in your heart for animals here and locally, this is a
That's
great
right.
cause, because you guys no kill shelter.
No kill. So that means when they come to us,
They're there. And
they're ours until somebody comes along and adopts. And
yes, ma'am.
it's just strange. We'll keep them for a number of years, and it's like, well, this one's just not ever going to get adopted, and then out of the blue, somebody will come along and that's the dog I want. So, that's always, we always love it, and of course they're not unhappy at the shelter, but
Right.
it'd be nice for them to be an only dog as opposed to one of about 50. So.
Yes, ma'am. And that's the great thing about this new shelter there, is it's going to give these dogs more room, I suppose, than what they have currently.
Yes, it will, because we're going to fence off a large area. They'll have a play area to where they'll get to go out a little longer each time, because we're going to have several little play areas to where 4 or 5 of them can go out at a time
Great.
and play, and they'll be on concrete, so none of us will have to be in mud anymore, and they'll have a permanent shelter over them, so that in the summertime we don't have to continue to put tarps over them so that they don't get in the sun. And
Yes, ma'am.
if it rains, even though they do have a dog house, everybody has a dog house, but you know, they can still have a shelter.
Yes,
over
ma'am.
them. So it's just going to be, when we get it all done, it's just going to be so nice for all of us. So we're very excited about it.
And now, where are you guys located, just in case someone wants to stop by?
We are, and you have to forgive me because I do not have the address memorized. We are north of town.
Okay.
And the best thing to do, since we are not always there, is just to call that 439-5019.
Yes, ma'am.
And just say, I want to come out and have a look at the dogs. And then one of us will be sure to be there, as opposed to, you know, somebody just drives out, we may or may not be there. So
Right.
that's the best thing,
Okay.
you know, to do, is to call us, and we can meet you out there.
Great. So Abby is up for adoption, and
Yep.
so she
Yep.
needs a good home, so
Yeah.
you can.
And Abby normally is not quite this timid. It's just all
It's a
of
new place.
all of this that she has never seen before.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Well, she's a pretty dog, and she needs to find a good home. So if you're interested, please give Hearts of Life a call. And so,
Thank you.
Deborah. Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you.